Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss about the new topic, earthworm. Right? You know very well about earthworm. Like it's a commonly called as friend of farmer. Right? The next one, if we can see about classification, what is the phylum of earthworm? Annelida. Why it is calling as Annelida? Annulus rings, metamerism. Very good, right? Segmented, right? And next one is the phylum of Annelida. The next one, class, Oligoketa. You know what was meant of Oligoketa? Oligo means what? Few. How many? Few. Keta means setae. R helps in what? Locomotion. Got it? I will show you how those look like. Oligo meant few, keta meant setae, which helps in locomotion. Mean as like as nereis, they do not have more. Hence the presence of more number of setaes in the nereis, that is called as Polygita. What is it? Polygita. Here only a few helps in locomotion, setaes, right? Hence it is called as what? Oligoketa. What is it? Oligoketa. I will show you here. See, it's about prostomium. It's not a segment, right? It's about peristomium. It is also do not consist of any kind of setaes, right? From here you can see this here, like this. S shaped. What is it? S shaped ketae or setae, which helps in what? Locomotion of the earthworm. Hence it is how many? Many or only few? Few. Hence it is called as what? Oligoketa. Means a few setaes helps in locomotion. Next one, genus Peristome and class. I mean, file species is what? Peristome. Peristome postuma is the one of the Indian earthworm scientific name. Got it? And next one, what is the color of earthworm? Tell me all of you. Reddish brown. Why it is getting a color like this? Because of the one of the pigment. I will tell you what is the pigment, right? The pigment name for the getting of reddish brown is about porphyrin. What is it? Porphyrin is one of the pigment in earthworm, and the color is what? Tell me of you, what is it? Reddish brown. And it's a terrestrial and aquatic. Most of them terrestrial because of during the summer, they can enter into the burrows of the soil. Right around. They can enter into the soil by the burrows, right? So whenever it's turned into like rainy season, whenever the rain entered into the burrows, right? Then there is a chance to come out of earthworms. Somebody are saying, Varshaniki earthworms padta earthworms. Earthworms పైనుంచి పడతాయా సాయిల్లోనే ఉన్నాయి బొరియల్లో లోపల ఉన్నాయి అనమాట అవునా రైట్ అవి ఏమేనంటే వర్షం వచ్చినప్పుడు ఆ రెయిన్ వాటర్ ఆ సాయిల్ లోపలికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఆ వాటర్ ద్వారా బయటకు వచ్చేస్తాయి అర్థమవుతుందా సో అందుకనే మనం వర్షం వచ్చినప్పుడు మాత్రం డెఫినెట్ గా వాటిని చూడొచ్చు రైనీ సీజన్ అవునా దట్స్ ఇట్ రైట్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ which inhabits the upper layer of moist soil and the upper layer, just imagine here it's about earth, right, which consists of different layers, correct? And the upper layer is called as what? Lithosphere. Lithosphere. At the location of lithosphere there is the presence of the earthworms. Here there is the presence of earthworms. But have you got it? Right. So that is what they are saying about what? Upper moist soil or inner moist soil? Upper moist soil because of exchange of gases should be takes place. Right? Very good. And next one, in the daytime, then there are always burrows in the where? Soil. Correct? So daytime మొత్తం ఎక్కడ ఉంటుందండి burrows లో అంటే soil లో burrows చేసుకొని ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. Right? And the next one, not only like presence in the burrows and boring means what? Right? So like enter inside. The next one definitely swallowing the soil means they can swallow the soil, which is nothing but like vermicompost. What is it? Vermicompost, right? That's it. The next one, common in an earthworm is what? The Peristome and lumbricus. You know why they are giving lumbricus? Annelids because of Ascalmenthes, one of the animal is what? Ascaris lumbricoid. Lumbricoid. Ascaris, lumbricoids, and earthworm looking like similar. It's a worm like, right or no? Right? One of the earthworm is looking like Ascaris lumbricus, but segmented here, right? Hence it is called as what? Lumbricus. Right, all of you? Why they're giving the name of lumbricus mean? One of the Ascaris, one of the Ascaris look like earthworm, right? The next one, morphology of earthworm, right? What is the morphology? Could you please see here? It's about the long or short earthworm. Ten of you, long. Is it cylindrical or width earthworm? Ten of you, cylindrical earthworm. Very good. And next one, how many segments are there? 100 to 120 segments. How many? 100 to 120 segments, right? And next one, here you can see that, like first one is a peristome. It's not a segment. I'm saying it. Please listen to me. I'm saying it, right? So peristome is not a segment, and this is the first segment, and the two that is called as what? True segment. First segment that is called as peristomium. What is it? Peristomium. So now you have to conclude. It's not a segment, but this is what? Peristomium. What is it? Peristome is the first segment, and the pygidium. What is it here? Pygidium. Last segment of the body. Right, all of you? Right? This is what. So, and from first segment to last segment, how many segments are there totally? 100 to 120 segments throughout the length of the body. Right, all of you? This is what they are mentioning. And next one, could you see it here, all of you? Middle of the body, you can find it here. Could you see it, all of you? Middle of the body or left of the body? Tell me, all of you. Yes. So I will ask you one thing. While earthworm is crawling like this, all of you here. While earthworm is crawling like this, right? What is surface? Dorsal or ventral? Dorsal. This is what? Ventral. Could you please see here? It's about upper surface or lower surface? Mean it's a dorsal face or ventral face? Dorsal, right? Above. Kada? Paine undi. Is dorsal ana. Idikante మనం ఎలా ఉన్నాం అనుకోండి, పైన కనబడేది ఎర్త్వర్మ్ కి ఏంటిది? ఏదైనా సరే యానిమల్ కి ఏదైనా సరే ఇది డోర్సల్, కింద కనబడేది వెంట్రల్. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి డోర్సల్ లోనే ఉంది కదా, దాని ఇలా ఇలా అంటే ఏంటిది? వెంట్రల్. చూడండి ఎర్త్వర్మ్ ఇలా ఇలా వెళ్తుంది, ఇది దాన్ని ఇలా తిప్పితే ఇది వెంట్రల్. డోర్సల్, వెంట్రల్. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, ఆ లైన్ నీకు డోర్సల్ లో ఉందా వెంట్రల్ లో ఉందా? చెప్పండి అన్న. డోర్సల్ లో ఉంది. మరి మిడిల్ లో ఉందా లేకపోతే లాటరల్ లో ఉందా? లాటరల్ అంటే సైడ్స్ ఉందా? మిడిల్ లో ఉందా? అంటే మనం దాన్ని మిడ్ డోర్సల్ అనుకోవచ్చా? చెప్పొచ్చా? Shall we call them as a mid dorsal? Yes, exactly. So the presence of a dark medial line throughout the length of the body means along the longitudinal axis of the body means throughout the body there is the presence of the dark medial line that is called as dorsal blood vessel. What is it? So a blood vessel dorsal లో ఉండటం వల్ల మనకి బయటికి ఆ రెడిష్ బ్రౌన్ కలర్ ఆ బ్లడ్ వెసల్ అన్ని కలిపి మనకి ఎలా కనిపిస్తుందంటే డార్క్. ఏ కలర్ కనిపిస్తుందా? డార్క్. మీడియం చెప్పండి. మీడియం. Shall we call it as a dark median? So mid dorsal, right? That's what they are mentioning here. You can see this. Dorsal surface of it has a dark median dorsal line that is called as dorsal blood vessel. What is it? Dorsal blood vessel, right? And along the longitudinal axis of the body, mean they are present throughout the body or only present at some stages, some of the body, throughout the body present, right? Very good. That's the point they are mentioning. And I'm telling you again, all of you, I won't give you notes about earthworm. I think no need. We have to go as per NCERT. Okay? Have you got it? Earthworm ki notes avasaram le, right? రాసుకోండి. చిన్న చిన్న పాయింట్స్ వస్తే పోర్ఫిరియం లాంటివి క్లోజ్ చేశారా? రైట్. వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. I already told you now. What is the first segment? Tell me how you. Tell me how they. You can see it here. What is it? So it's not a peristomium. It's a prostomium. Right or wrong? And this is what? Among those two, which is the first segment? Tell me. Peristomium is the first segment. Right, all of you? They are mentioning also same. You can see it here, right? So First segment is what? Peristome, also called as what? Buccal segment, base the mouth, right or wrong? You can see it again. It's about peristomium, right? It's about prostomium, right? So what we are measuring here? First segment peristomium, base the mouth, right? The lower called prostomium covers the mouth. You can see it here, right? A lobe called what? What is it? Prostomium, which is covering what? No, that's it. And here, which is consist of what? Wedge shaped. What is it? What the shape is? Wedge shaped. You know why? Exactly. Which helps in what? Burrowing of the soil. అలా ఉంటే ఈజీగా సాయిల్ ని డిగ్ చేయొచ్చు కదా, బరోస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే బొరియల్ చేసుకొని లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు కదా, రైట్? తవ్వడానికి అన్నమాట, డిగ్ చేయడానికి సాయిల్. ఓకేనా? దట్స్ ఇట్, రైట్? అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Peristome is a sensory function and use 4 open cracks, right? So in the soil which earthworm may be crawl, right? And next one, you can see it here. It is the peristome part, which is shaped, right? And which helps in digging of the soil, right? And next one, it is also in sensory. What is it here? Sensory. By that, what's happening? While digging the soil, that soil is a good soil or bad soil? Have you ever seen like మనం ఎప్పుడన్నా సర్ఫ్ వాటర్ కానీ సోప్ వాటర్ కానీ ఎక్కువ మేము పడితే అది వెంటనే బాడీ ఇలా రెస్పాండ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది, బాడీ అర్థమవుతుందా? అంటే అది ఫారిన్ పార్టికల్స్ అన్నట్టు దానికి, అవునా కదా? సార్ డెఫినెట్ గా, రైట్? తర్వాత మాట్లాడదాం, రైట్? సో డెఫినెట్ గా ఎర్త్వర్మ్ రెస్పాండ్ అవుతుంది, ఎందుకంటే దాని బాడీలో ఉండే కీమోరిసెప్టార్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఏమంటే కీమోరిసెప్టార్స్, రైట్? వెదర్ గుడ్ సాయిల్ ఆర్ బ్యాడ్ సాయిల్ చూసేసి దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని డిక్ చేసుకుంటా ఉంటుంది. గాట్ ఇట్? వెరీ గుడ్. దట్స్ అబౌట్ peristome. Is it sensory or not? Tell me all of you. Sensory. Tell me what is the first segment? Either peristome or peristome? Peristome. Very good, right? And next one, in a mature earthworm, right? Segments from 14 to 16 are covered by a dark band of glandular tissue called what? Tell me what is it? Right. I will show you with the. Let's see here. It's what? 14 segment structure what? 14 to 16 what? This is 14, 15 and 16. 14, 15, 16. Got it? That is what? Tell me what is it? Clitellum. What is it? Clitellum. It's a glandular. You know why? Glandular means it secretes something, right or wrong? Gland secretes something, right or wrong? Secretions, right? That secretions is called as, what is it? What is it? Cocoon. Cocoon means egg case. Cocoon or cocoon. Egg case under the name. Egg case. Egg case is secreted by what? Clitellum is a glandular or non-glandular? Glandular. What is the location? 14th to 16th segment. That all of you? Very good, right? That's what. And next one here. Body has 3 divisions. How many divisions? 3 divisions. Mean 3 regions. What are those? Basal and clitellum. Is it possible to division basal and the clitellum? Because it's a clitellum. Before clitellum, what? Clitellum. Clitellum. And after clitellum, post clitellum. Shall we write like this? Right? We don't have much time to write in the total. Okay? It's enough. Got all of you? Right? So tell me now, based on the clitellum, how many division? This is what? What? Pre-clitellum or post-clitellum? Pre-clitellum or pre-clitellar. It is what? Clitellar. And next one from here to last what? Post-clitellar. That's it, 3 divisions. Is it possible to division based on the clitellum? Before clitellum is pre-clitellum. After clitellum is post-clitellum. and the gliidal region, gliidal. Pre-glidalar, glidalar, post-glidalar. That's it. That is the body region. Got all of you? I hope you understood, right? And next one. How many pairs of cortical apertures are there? Tell me about you. And the location is where? Inter-segmental grooves. What is it? Inter-segmental grooves, right? I will show you how it is. C2. Rafi, sit here. Tell me, Rafi, is it a segment? No. Is a segment, right? First segment? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, right? It's a segment, right? So now the presence of Spermatheca, right? What is the location? They're giving what? 5th to 9th. And the two intersegmental or just segmental? Intersegmental. But I mentioned here, it's a segment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Shall we write it? Just totally we have to write, but we don't, no need, right? It's enough. So 9 segments I mentioned here. Good. And what is the location here? 5th to 9th. See to see here. The location from 5th to 2 means what are the how many pairs of Spermatheca are there? Tell me. 4 pairs. They are mentioning 5th to 9th intersegmental, but I mentioned in somewhere 6 segment. But why? Because of Allah say to me. Allah please. So intersegment means this is what? First segment, second segment is separated by what? Inter-segmental groove. Tell me Allah what is it? Inter-segmental groove. Mean shall we call them as a one? Shall we call them like this? Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Tell me. It's about shall we write like this? 5th to 6th separated by right now. The actually intersegmental groove. This is ఉందేమో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి చూడండి ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి 6 సెగ్మెంట్ అన్న అర్థం అందరికి యాదండి ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఏం చెప్పండి 6 సెగ్మెంట్ ఇదేంటి మరి 5th సెగ్మెంట్ రైట్ అది ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి యాక్చువల్గా ఇంటర్ సెగ్మెంట్ లో ఉన్నాయి అవునా అర్థం అవుతుందా మరి ఇంటర్ సెగ్మెంట్ దేని మిడిల్ లో ఉన్నాయి 5th to 6th మిడిల్ లో ఉంది కదా దెన్ shall we write like 5 6 then next one what is what right for this Next one. Main. If they are giving about the intersegmental, you have to write what? First one what? This is what? 5th to 9th. Got it? If not, only they are asking about what? Segmental. Could you please talk about segmental? 6th, 7th, 8th to 9th, right? ఎందుకు intersegment వచ్చి చెప్పండి చెప్పండి అందరూ చెప్పాలరా అది 2 సెగ్మెంట్ మిడిల్ లో ఉందిరా ఇది 5th ఇది 6th మిడిల్ లో ఉంది ఇంటర్ సెగ్మెంట్ బరాబర్ ఇంటర్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఉంది కదా అవునా కదా ఇంటర్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి డెఫినెట్ గా 5th కి 6th కి మిడిల్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని మనం 5 6 అని రాసుకున్నాం అవునా కాదా ఎందుకు చెప్పండి ఎందుకు 5 6 రాసేసింది the intersegment present in between 5th to 6th 5th segment 6th segment are separated by one of the intersegment called what 5 6 అర్థం అవుతుందా ఆ 5 6 దానికి అటాచ్ అయిన కాబట్టి మనం 5 6 అని రాసుకున్నాం అర్థం అవుతుందా రైట్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి మరి సెగ్మెంట్ వైజ్ చెప్పండి రాసు ప్లీజ్ సెగ్మెంట్ వైజ్ ఏ సెగ్మెంట్ ఉంది 6th 7th 8th 9th ఓవరాల్ 4th వచ్చింది కదా సెగ్మెంట్ అంటే ఇది ఇంటర్ సెగ్మెంట్ అంటే దాన్ని దీన్ని సెపరేట్ చేసేది అర్థం అవుతుందా రైట్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి సెగ్మెంట్ వైజ్ 6 7 8 9 got all of you that's it okay guys this what intersegmental. What is it? Intersegmental. Okay, then good. And next one. How many pairs of sperm are there? 4 pairs. Tell me how many? Very good, right? And next one. A single female genital pores are present on the. Tell me, it's a dorsal or ventral it is? Earthworm ఇలా అవుతుంది కదా ఇలా తిప్పితే వెంట్రల్ చూడండి ఇది డోర్సల్ ఇది వెంట్రల్ కదా రైట్ ఇప్పుడు చూడండి సింగిల్ ఉందా ఫీమేల్ జెండర్ పోర్ డబుల్ ఉందా అంటే పేర్ ఉందా సింగిల్ చెప్పండి మిడిల్ అంతా బాడీ ఉందా లేదా లాటరల్ ఉందా వీటి లాగా అంటే వెంట్రో అంటే మిడ్ వెంట్రల్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు దాన్ని సింగిల్ ఉందా పేర్ ఉందా a single mid ventral female genital pore is present at where 14 segment what location 14 segment, right? So in 14 segment, female genital pore is present. 14 segment, okay. And ventral or mid ventral? Mid ventral. Singular or pair? At 14 segment, mid ventral, single female genital pore is present. Right or not? Got it? Very good. Like that, could you please tell me about male genital aperture? Pick it up. Tritellum, which is according to 14, 15, 16, 3 segments, right? But mid-ventral single, female genital pore presented 14 segment only. Clear? Next one. After 16, what is it? 17. What is it? 18. Right along? Could you please tell me what is the location? 18 location or 17 location? Choose Chapana. 18. That is Chapana? 18. ఇప్పుడు ఇది 14 15 16 ఇక్కడ అయిపోయింది అవునా నెక్స్ట్ 16 తర్వాత ఏంటిది 17 నెక్స్ట్ 18 అంటే చెప్పండి మేల్ జెండర్ అపర్చర్ లొకేషన్ ఏంటి 18 సెగ్మెంట్ ఓకే రాయండి వినండి 18 సెగ్మెంట్ ఇంకోటి వెంట్రల్ డోర్సల్ వెంట్రల్ క్లియర్ మిడిల్ లో ఉందా లాటరల్ ఉందా వెంట్రో లాటరల్ అని రాయొచ్చా ఇందాక మిడ్ వెంట్రల్ రాసా కదా ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం రాయొచ్చు చెప్పండి ventral lateral single is that it a pair of male genital apex are present at where 18 segment either ventral lateral or mid ventral ventral lateral that's it over good right next one అసలు కదా అదేమో దాని రాస్తుంది ఇదేమో ఫిమేల్ ఏమో మిడ్ వెంట్రల్ లో ఉంది మేల్ ఏమో వెంట్రో లాటరల్ లో ఉంది వాట్ ద లొకేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫిమేల్ జెంటల్ అపర్చర్ 14th or 15th mid ventral or mid dorsal very good then what about male genital aperture 18 segment ventrolateral or mid ventral ventrolateral a pair or single pair correct that's over right. And next one, many minute nephridial pores opens on the body surface. Minute, small, tiny, right? Which is opens on the body surface. Got all of you, right? So, like nephridial pores mean what is the function? Excretion. What is it? Excretion, right? And next one, all segment except first segment. What is the first segment name? Peristomium. Very good. What is the last segment? Pygidium. Tell me all of you. So except the first, last, and the clitoris, it bears a S-shaped what? Sidri, which helps in what? Locomotion. What is it? Locomotion. Right? I'm sorry. You want to choose that? All of you have you seen? In the Japan? మిడిల్ లో ఉందా లేకపోతే ఎక్కడ ఉంది మిడిల్ లాటరల్ కాదు వెంట్రల్ మిడ్ వెంట్రల్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ మిడ్ వెంట్రల్ ఇది ఇలా వెళ్తుంది కదా ఎత్వాము ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇది ఒక సెగ్మెంట్ అనుకోండి సెగ్మెంట్ ఇక్కడ మిడిల్ ఎలా ఉందమ్మా ఎస్ షేప్డ్ అర్థమవుతుందా ఎందుకు చెప్పండి ఏంటది లోకోమోషన్ రెడీ చెప్పాలి లోకోమోషన్ వెరీ గుడ్ right. What is the shape of location? What is the shape? S shaped or C shaped? Yes, what the structure mean? Which helps in what? Locomotion. And also helps in hold fast. What is it? Hold fast. అంటే ఇది చూడండి, ఇంత చూసారు కదా మీరు, అది ముళ్ళులా ఉంది అవునా, ఇట్లా బాడీ దానికి అడేషన్ అంటే అటాచ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఇట్లా ఫాస్ట్ మూవ్మెంట్ అవడానికి, హోల్డ్ చేయడానికి ఫస్ట్ బాడీని అక్కడ అర్థమవుతుందా, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ మీద హోల్డ్ చేయడానికి ఉపయోగపడే స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏం చెప్పండి. ఎర్త్వాం గోడలు కూడా ఎక్కుతుందా చెప్పండి, ఎక్కుతా కదా, హోల్డ్ రైట్. స్పైడర్ మనకి ఇలా ఉంటాయి కదా, దీనికి హోల్డ్ చేస్తాయి అన్నమాట బాడీని, అర్థమవుతుందా. దట్స్ ఇట్ రైట్, దిస్ వాట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, what is the function? Locomotion. And they will be extended or retracted. Mean they will be extend or retract. అంటే పెరగొచ్చు లేదంటే తగ్గొచ్చు డెఫినెట్లీ. Got it all of you? That's it. And next one we have to discuss about what? Anatomy of earthworm. And you know what? Body one of earthworm is composed of, the first one is what? A non-cellular. What is it? Non-cellular cuticle. And next one epidermis. What is it? Tell me what is it? Epidermis. And next one what? Two layers of muscle called as what? Outer circular, inner longitudinal muscle. I will show you based on the diagram. I will show you. Please draw, all of you. This is what? See, which helps in what? Locomotion, right? And here the presence of numerous longitudinal muscles. What is it? The muscle is longitudinal muscles, right? Right? And I will give you labeling now, right? So outer, it's about the outermost layer. It's about cuticle, okay? But this is what the epidermis. What is it? Epidermis. Adhodna, right? And next one, second one is this, muscles are called outer muscle. Endadi chepana. Next one what? Inner is what? Longitudinal muscle, right? And next one, you know what is the space here in the epidermis? The space is called as the epidermal pits. What is it? You can find out what is the location of city. Where it is? Tell me again. City, S-shaped city located in where? Epidermal pits of the body wall of earthworm. Where have you? Please draw it. Please draw it. Right. Over. Right. Next one, the innermost, coelomic epithelium, which helps in what? Which secretes coelomic fluid, which helps in hydrostatic skeleton. చూసారు కదా earthworm ఇలా ఉంది, ఒకసారి తెలుసు కదా, right? The kind of locomotion facilitated by hydroskeleton. What is it? Hydrostatic skeleton. Got it? Right. Next one, what is the system name? It's a straight or curved. Alimentary canal, main digestive system, which consists of alimentary canal and associated glands, as usual, right? Okay. Alimentary canal is a straight and extend from the first segment to the last segment of the body, means from the peristome to pygidium. Got it? So that's it. And next one, what is the location? Could you please tell me one by one? What is the section? First one, mouth, also called as what? The buccal cavity, which is extended from first to tell me again. First to third segment is what? Like it's about buccal cavity up to here, right? And next one, what is here? Main the mouth opens in the structures called what? Pharynx. What is it? Pharynx. What is the location of pharynx? చెప్పండి. So buccal cavity first to third segment ఉంది. Buccal cavity opens into what? Pharynx, location of fourth segment, and the pharynx opens into what? Esophagus from fifth to seventh segment of the body. What is it? fifth to seventh segment of the body. Got it? And next one, esophagus open with the one of the grinding of the food material structures called what? Gizzard. Because of they do not have teeth right around. As you have seen in earlier, like cockroach and birds also, crop and gizzard, right? And here also present gizzard, which helps in grinding of the food burgers, which is located where the eighth segment. And could you please find out one thing here? Eighth segment, which is structured into even 9, 10, 10,000. Right around, it's about 9, it's about 10. Right? Eighth is structured into 9, 10, 10,000. That is what hence I mentioned eighth segment, right? And next one, stomach from 9 to 14. What is the location? 9 to 14. What is the location? Stomach is located at 9 to 14 because of common. Mouth opposite the buccal cavity which is 1 to 3rd segment, and next one pharynx opens into esophagus, right? Here you can see that, right? Esophagus opens into gizzard, right? So after grinding, the food which is entered into where? Stomach, right? This is the reservoir of food, right? Next one from 9 to 14 stomach, and from 15th to last segment of the body. What is it? Tell me again, what is it? Intestine. Location at what? 15th to last segment. Very good. This is what. And next one, you can find out here one thing about like it's about typhlozoa. What is it here? What is the function of typhlozoa? You know, which helps in increase the surface area of absorption as like as our microvilli do. మన మైక్రోవేవ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఇంక్రీజ్ ద సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ అబ్జార్ప్షన్ కదా. మనం తీసుకున్న ఫుడ్ ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి సర్క్యులర్ సిస్టమ్ లో పంపిస్తుంది కదా, అవునే కదా న్యూట్రియంట్ ని. అలానే దీనికి కూడా వచ్చే న్యూట్రియంట్ తీసుకుని అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా, రైట్? అలా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకున్న స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏంటంటే అబ్జార్ప్షన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏంటంటే దాని పేరు టైఫ్లోజోల్. వెరీ గుడ్. అండ్ టైఫ్లోజోల్ విచ్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ ఫ్రమ్ 26th to 10 around. What is it? That's what I'm saying. Please read it, all of you. 26 to last, right? Except 23rd to 25th last. And you know what? Arab is here. Last means how many? 95th segment up to. Please write it. Please mention it, all of you. 26th to last, okay? It's presence. Last means how many? 95th segment. And you know why? As Earthworm consists of 100 to 120 segments, right around? So almost all up to the last of the body, there is a presence of structures called what? Typhlozoa, which helps in increasing the surface area of absorption. Got it? That's it. And here you can see that one of the cecum-like structure, like which is the projection of intestine, that is called as the intestinal CK, which is extended from 26th segment. Got it, of you? Right? And this is what, like even the glands are present here. And next one, I would like to say something about like digestive system of earthworm. You know, there is a presence of glands called, you know, what? Calciferous glands, right? What is it? Calciferous glands, which is present in the stomach, right? Which helps in like humic acid, neutralize the humic acid. ఎందుకంటే మీకు తెలుసు ఎర్త్వర్మ్ సాయిల్ తింటుంది కదా, లోపల హ్యూమస్ ఉంటుంది కదా, మరి అవునే కదా, రైట్? ఆ హ్యూమస్ ఏముంటుంది? హ్యూమిక్ యాసిడ్ ఉంటుంది, రైట్? దాన్ని న్యూట్రలైజ్ చేయాలంటే వన్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ కావాలి. దాని పేరు ఏం పేరు చెప్పండి? దాని గ్లాండ్ పేరు ఏం పేరు చెప్పండి? Calciferous gland. Get it, Japanese? Calciferous gland, which helps in neutralize the humic acid in the humus. Please write it the point. Please write the point, all of you. What is the name of it? Calciferous gland. Calciferous gland. Okay. But what is the function? Which helps in neutralize. Very good. Neutralize the humic acid, humus. ఎందుకంటే సాయిల్ తింటూ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి సాయిల్ హ్యూమస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి హ్యూమస్ తినప్పుడు దాంట్లో హ్యూమిక్ యాసిడ్ ఉంది కదా, యాసిడ్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ దాని ఇంటర్నల్ సిస్టమ్ అంటే ఇంటర్నల్ డైజెస్ట్ సిస్టమ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది డ్యామేజ్ అవుతాయి. సో దాన్ని డ్యామేజ్ అవ్వకుండా దాన్ని న్యూట్రలైజ్ చేయడానికి ఒక గ్లాండ్ ఉంది, దాని పేరు ఏంటంటే చెప్పండి ఏంటది, calciferous gland which helps in neutralize the humic acid in the humus. Got it? This is what today's topic such as like of earthworm. Okay, right. It's about elementary canals. Same ఇక్కడ చూడండి మీరు ఆ పాయింట్స్ ఉంటాయి. These are functions what? Tell me all of you. Right, next one is the gland. Calciferous gland. Next one, a pair of short intestinal secret location at where? 20 segments, right? And intestinal part between 26 to 35 segment has an intermedial fold, dorsal wall called what? Typhlozoal. It increases the area of absorption, right? And the organic rich soil is digested in the digestive tract, right? Definitely by the digestive enzymes. Digestive enzyme nutrients are absorbed through intestinal membranes. Their fecal deposits are known as what? Worm casting. How could you find out earthworm in your garden? By the fecal pellets. That is called as what? Worm casting. What is it? Worm casting, right? And next one is about circulatory system. What is it? Tell me what is it? Circulatory system. Blood. What is the color of blood of earthworm? Red color. What is it? Hemoglobin. What is it? Hemoglobin is there, but it is dissolved in the plasma. It's dissolved in the plasma. Got it, all of you? Right. And next one here, you can see the red color. And you can find it here, it's a dorsal blood vessel or ventral blood vessel. It's a dorsal. It's about ventral blood vessel. Here the presence of ventral. Correct? It's about ventral. It's about dorsal. From upper, it's seen like dark median fold. మనం చూసాం కదా డార్క్ మీడియన్ ఫోల్డ్ ఒకటి మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ అని, అదే ఇది పైన చూస్తే అలా కనిపిస్తుంది డార్క్ మీడియన్. ఓకేనా? రైట్. సో దిస్ వాట్ dorsal blood vessel. And if we can discuss about more, circulatory system is closed or open type? The first animal in the kingdom Animalia with the circulatory system, and that too closed or open type. Earthworm. Leech. But major annelids, right? As per NCERT, closed type of circulatory system and earthworm also definitely, right? And actually it consists of what? What consists? Blood vessels, capillaries and heart, as you have seen here. Blood vessels and capillaries and definitely heart. You can see here lateral hearts and esophageal hearts. How many pairs? 4 pairs of hearts. How many? 4 pairs of hearts are present there. Got it? The next one, blood glands. What is the meaning of blood glands? Which produce blood cells. Got it? Right? Location. Could you please tell me the location of blood glands? 4th, 5th, 6th segments are consist of the glands called what? Blood glands, which helps in production of blood, right? And they produce phagocytic blood cells also. And hemoglobin. What is the color of hemoglobin? That's why I got you earlier the color of blood, right? And which is dissolved in the blood plasma. That's it. That's it, right? And this is what circulatory system, right? And next one, the last one for today is enough. That is what is it? Respiratory system. Is there any respiratory organ in earthworm? No more earthworm. No more respiratory organs, right? No more earthworm with respiratory organs also, because of they can respire through what? Moist skin, right? మీరు ఎర్త్వర్మ్ తీసుకెళ్ళి ఎండకి పెట్టారనుకోండి కొద్దిసేపు, రైట్? సన్లైట్ లైక్ అది టెంపరేచర్కి ఎక్స్పోజ్ చేశారనుకోండి, లీడ్స్ టు డెత్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆర్గానిజం బికాస్ ఆఫ్ మాయిస్ట్ గా ఉంటేనే ఏమవుతుందంటే ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాస్ జరుగుతాం. అర్థమవుతుందా? There is no specialized organ, right? Very good. Gases exchange up to the moist body surface. Please write it. It is a bloodstream. That's it. It's enough. Remaining topic about the excretory system, neural system, reproductive system we will discuss on tomorrow. Okay? Right. Thank you. Thank you very much.